Welcome to another episode of YouTube tutorial on atoms. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating world of molecules and atomicity, and how they relate to the composition of matter. Let's dive in. In the last video we discussed various number of elements, their representation as symbol, their atomic number, mass number and number of subatomic particles they contain. Atoms of elements exist in nature in two ways: free state or combined state. Atoms of elements, which exist in free state are non-reactive, while those which are in combined state are called reactive. For example, gold, silver are considered non-reactive, while sodium, potassium are called reactive in nature. In combined state, element exists as molecule. Smallest particle of an element or a compound that is capable of an independent existence and show all the properties of that substance is called molecule. How do they formed? Atoms of same element or different element can join together through a chemical bond to form molecules. These chemical bond can be an ionic bond or covalent bond. For example, when two hydrogen atoms bond with one oxygen atom, they form a water molecule, H2O. The chemical bond here is a covalent bond. The details about nature of chemical bond will be understood in later classes. Every matter is made up of molecules. These molecules are in turn consist of atoms. If we zoom into the molecular state of matter, how many atoms it contains determine its atomicity. The number of atoms in a molecule is called atomicity. Based on atomicity, molecules can be monoatomic. Example, iron, which consists of only iron atoms, not molecules, so termed as monoatomic. Diatomic. Example, oxygen. D means two. A molecule consists of two atoms are called diatomic, hence oxygen is diatomic. Triatomic. Example, water. Tri means three. A water molecule consists of two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom, in total three atoms. Hence called triatomic in nature. Tetratomic. Example, ammonia. Tetra means four. Ammonia molecule consists of three atoms of hydrogen and one atom of nitrogen, in turn making four atoms. Hence it is tetratomic in nature. Polyatomic. Poly means many. Polyatomic molecule consists of atoms more than four in a molecule. They can be categorized into pentatomic, hexatomic and so on. Here is an example of polyatomic molecule is methane. It contains four hydrogen atoms and one carbon atom. Now I'm going to show you a video of simulation, where I can make various types of molecules, using different types of atoms. You can also visit this website to get hands-on experience. The link of the website is in description. Hope you like this simulation. It's time to practice now. Below are three pictures. Guess the atomicity of these molecules. How many correct answers you guessed? Comment below and let me know. Thank you for watching. For more such informative content, subscribe the channel. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Stay motivated. Keep learning.